Hi, and welcome to today's edition of Market Analysis Pre-Market for today, August the 1st, 2022. I'm Giovanni Benacour, educator and trader for Vantage Markets. Well, we begin the month of August with a busy week on Wall Street after stocks closed out July with the largest gains we've seen in a year and a half. Investors are cheering on results from just over 50% of the S&P 500 companies reporting, as half have exceeded expectations. This has helped the S&P's rally after the June low around 3,639 points, but the index still remains short of taking out the June highs up around 4,200. This week we'll hear from Airbnb, Lyft, Uber, AMD, Caterpillar, Jump Brands, and Starbucks, to name a few. This week, the primary focus will be non-farm payrolls due out Friday, as investors and traders look for further insight into how labor conditions are holding up in a higher rate environment. The consensus is that there were 250,000 new jobs created in July. Also, we have the unemployment rate to stay around 3.6%. Another thing to keep an eye on is the ISM manufacturing data to begin the week. JOLTS on Tuesday, factory orders on Wednesday, and challenger job cuts and the weekly jobless claims on Thursday. Lastly, in addition to non-farm payrolls and the other data due out mentioned above, with crude oil hanging out around $100 a barrel this week, energy traders will be focusing on the production side. We'll hear from OPEC Wednesday. They're expected to leave production at current levels. Let's take a look at what we could be probably seeing as the market before the market opens. We're seeing that Nasdaq is having a pullback as we speak. I believe mainly because of the Visa news coming out that they are being sued because they were allowing child pornography being sold and that they knew about it. So this could be something that can take the indices lower, especially Nasdaq, since Visa trades in that index. So we have a 13,000 level of resistance. Our pivot point is around 12,800 and a support right below at 12,500, right around. We have the 50-day moving average acting as a resistance, as a support, since the market is above it. So the RSI is in neutral territory, look pointing towards the 50 level, perhaps around that level we could find some support, but keep an eye on that. As well as the S&P 500 right now is also looking to open on the downside, on the down note. On Friday, the indices closed obviously higher. So if we open below what the market closed on Friday, we'll be having a lower session. So therefore, short positions are in favor. Crude oil, it has obviously now retraced from the $100 level, trading right below 95. A support of 93.50 is where I have my pivot, and perhaps the RSI will enter the oversold territory and find support right around that level where we have the 92.40 level, or 92.40 level of support. Should we come in and test it out? Well, natural gas is lingering right around $8. We're making a channel of congestion ranging lateral movements. Any outbreak, a breakup from this, it can be expected. The RSI is pointing towards the 50 level, so it's right in the lowest part of it. It's not in the level of oversold yet, so we could probably be able to see some nice push to the upside on that perspective. Then we have gold. Gold has been retracing. And most likely, we'll be seeing some movement on the dollar index. But 1780 is our resistance level. Copper as well, lingering. The 360 has been a level of resistance important for us to keep in mind. 350 is where I have my pivot. Perhaps we'll find some support around that. Then we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is staying right around the 23,000 level, where I have my pivot, and the 24,200 is my resistance. Then we have the euro. Is managing to stay above 102, and perhaps we could probably see another sideways movement, consolidation movement on the euro above 102. Let's take a look at what the dollar index is doing on a daily basis. We'll be seeing the dollar has been retracing, looking to break that 105 psychological level will be of importance. So the 50-day moving average is closing in, or the market is coming to it. So that'll be a level of support to consider. This is me for now. Until next time, thank you for watching.